Hello YouTube, I am back with more Pennsylvania lottery tickets here, looking for that big win. Will we ever see it? I certainly hope so. Sometimes you get into these streaks of you're just getting garbage tickets all the time. It just gets you discouraged. I guess you gotta just keep on trying. It's alright, so we have today $20 cash fall. Ticket 18. We got Big Money Millionaire. Ticket 15. And we have the 3 million Fun Fortune. We have 000 black box. So I know I'm the first one to get a ticket out of this book. So can I find a win here on 000? Let's start off with the oldest ticket. The $20 million cash fall. So on this one we are looking for the bonus arrows here. If we see an arrow in one of these boxes or all of them, we win the amount shown. It is a number match. If we see the fistful of cash symbol, that's an auto win, and I'm still looking for that money bag. Win 500 symbol, win 500 instantly. I haven't won 500 in quite a while. I'd certainly like to hit that. And I'd certainly like to hit the cash fall, win all symbol, win all 20 prizes shown. Again, we have ticket 18 here. Overall chances on this one are 1 in 3.49. We have 1. Can I beat the odds with one ticket here? It's tough to do, but it's nice when you do it. Here we go. We see something here. Let's go. Start off with double threes. A single deuce. 36. Number 12. 28. Number 9. Double uno. Double deuce. Come on, symbol. 5. I haven't seen a symbol on this ticket in a while. 30. 19. Number 14. 17. 32. 29. 39. No symbols yet. Come on. 27. 23. 25. And finish off with an 8. No symbols down the bottom. Can we see a bonus arrow here? Let's get that bonus arrow. We got the ring. That is absolutely nothing in this game. And a stack of coins. That's nothing either. Wrong game for that. Can we find? Nope. A lock. And what do we get here? And a gold bar. Nothing there. Alright. Alright. Do we have a number match? Let's find out. 24. I could have swore we had a 24, but I guess we don't. We have a 23, 25. Right around it. Number 3, we have a 2. 26, we have a 25. 31, we have a 32. How about a 34? Do we see a 34 on the board? No, we don't. And there's a 18 on ticket 18, but I don't see it. We have a 17, and the last chance, non-lucky 7. We have an 8. All right, another one for the trash heap. On to ticket 15 of the Big Money Millionaire. So I'll say this one. I bought this one by mistake. I don't know. I was going to pick out the snowman. I told the cashier the wrong number, and he pulled this one off and gave it to me. So I said, all right, I'll just take this instead. So I wasn't going to buy the snowman instead, but let's see. We got the Big Money Millionaire. Is it a happy little accident, or is it just a big mistake? Let's find out. So in here we're looking for one of these top prizes of $1 million. Certainly like to see that. It is a number match. If we see the money roll there, it kind of looks like the money roll in the, what is that, the Millionaire Bucks, and did the 50 times the win have it? I think a 50 times the win had a buck symbol like that. Anyways, if we see that money roll, That's an auto win. 20x, that's at least $400. Certainly like to see that. And it looks like a safe here for a win all. 20 prizes shown. And we do have this, the big money bonus. If we see the word big in either side here, we will get a win for $100 additionally if we get a win up here. So I'm not crazy about the way this plays, but it's nice if you get it. But chances are if you see it, you're not going to get it. So it's kind of discouraging, but you never know. Could happen. Overall chances of winning on this one are 1 in 3.44. I have 1. So can I beat the odds here? Can we see a symbol? Let's find out. Will we see the big symbol win? That's a tough one. Usually when you see that big, it's not a win. 3613, number 7, 17, 38, 31, 4, 35, 3, 29, 34. There's good old 40. 24. 6. Number 5. 16. Come on. Single deuce. Where's the symbols? 30. Uno. And a number 19. Alright. I'm afraid to do it, but I'm going to anyways. Let's see. Do we see the big here? I actually kind of don't want to see it because it just makes me think that I'm not going to win. No bonus. And try again. Alright, so that's kind of... we could win. Let's find out. Is there a winner on this ticket? Only bought one. We have a double deuce. I see a single deuce. No double deuce. And there's 15 on ticket 15, but I have a 16, so we're one off. 28. It's not great. 37. We have a 36, 38. Come on, Pennsylvania Lottery. A double Uno. We have a single Uno. How about a number 10? No 10. And the last chance, 27. Dang. Another one for the garbage pile. Oh, brother. All right. Can this fun fortune save the show here? We'll see. On this one, we're looking for one of these bonus fun areas here. Fun bonus areas, I should say. So we have the fun bonus match here. Match 2 like symbols, 2 like pool float symbols. You win the prize shown. Flip-flops, if we see them here, that's 100. Beach chair, if we see it there, that's 300. It is a number match. See the sunglasses? That's an auto win. And reveal a 30x. Ooh boy, that's 30 times the prize. That is a big claimer. Reveal a fortune, win all. That's at least $1 grand. Win all 25 prizes shown. I have 000 here. First one in the pack. Overall chances of this one are 1 in 3. I only have 1. Can I find a win on the first ticket out? Here we go. Last ticket. Double Uno. 26. Single Uno. 23. 16. 36. 35. 15. 37. 27. Double deuce. 38. There's good old 40. 34. 39. 18. 12. 17. Number 5. 6. 20. 29. 31. 21. And and finish out with a 28. All right, no symbols. We have quite a few numbers that follow in a row here. I see 26, 27, 28, 29, and I see 37, 38, 39, and 40. So hopefully, maybe we can get a number match here. You never know. On to the fun bonus. Can we get two like pool float symbols? At least it'll be a win. And we have, that's supposed to be a watermelon. I don't see how it looks like a watermelon, but hey, that's Pennsylvania. Ooh, do we have a watermelon? We have a match. Woohoo! All right, we do have a win. 000 came through. Nice. Can we find a bonus? Can we find the beach chair? $300 if we see the chair. That's a pig. That's not going to get us $300. Can we find flip-flops? Flip-flops for 100. Oh, we got a star. All right, so we do have a match on a watermelon. But can we add more to it? Let's find out. We had a number match here. Start off with lucky 13. Is it lucky? I see a 12. So it's not that lucky. How about a number 24? We have a 23. I'm not seeing it. 10. Picking back up here. So we have a 10, no 10. We have an 11. Number 7, we have a 6. A single deuce. We have an Uno and a double deuce. Can we find a number match here to go along with that bonus up the top? We do have 2 watermelons, so that's good. A single 3. Not seeing it. And 14. We have a 15. And the last chance here. A 32. Not seeing a 32. All right. Well, what do we get with the watermelon there? Is it something more than a refund? We're about to find out. And we have little zeros. And we got a nifty 50. All right, we'll certainly take that. So that certainly helps out. We're only down 20. So that's pretty good. Pretty good hit. Certainly take it. All right, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one. 000 finally came through. All right. See you then.